Okay, we are out here at the delay residence. We're attempting to start to make some of the repairs. We are running into some issues on the hips, as you can see here. We have our filled shingles. It's a 2-layer roof, so that 3-tab shingle you see right there is the second layer. And we started to tear off the first layer, and as you can see here with these shingles, these are all overlapping onto this rear slope. These are all going to have to be removed all the way up this hip so we can get down and remove this second layer. These these filled shingles do also have a coating on them. A lot of delamination happening very easily. It's like an aluminum coating, very common out here in Sun City West. And then this second layer of shingles is actually a organic shingle, and this is not a suitable substrate to nail to, and reason being is organic shingles just crumble. They don't have any fiberglass matting in it like our new shingles do, so definitely some issues here. We don't really see a way to make this repair without removing all of this hip on this slope, and then we start to get down to the second layer. Really just kind of becomes an issue and snowballs, so we're gonna try to keep removing some shingles here and see what it looks like. You can see these organic shingles, just if I were to take my hammer, when you start nailing over the top of them, they just start crumbling. So I could go nail a new shingle in there and it's just gonna crumble like that. You can see they just, even this this first layer of shingles, these 3 tabs, they have them lapped back and forth over this hip, like they didn't cut them back all the way. You look right here. You can see that felt runs over that ridge. It's a pre-existing condition there. So in order for us to put it back this way, we're gonna definitely have to remove shingles off of this side. It'd be almost impossible to remove one shingle on each course, the top shingle and the bottom shingle, and make an adequate repair. It'd be pretty difficult to make any sort of repairs to this roof. So if you have any questions, please let us know.